Alright guys, this video is about a weird issue I was dealing with my Firefox and a Google Chrome browser where I'm getting a dash sign instead of digit 9 in a few websites. So after wasting a huge amount of time, I figured out that it is an issue with a pre-installed font corruption in Windows. You can see the font name in the picture, and to fix it out, what I did, I simply deleted the font files from the path mentioned in the picture and reinstalled a new copy of font and restarted my browser, and that fixed the issue for me. And yes, I have mentioned the download link in the description for the fonts, so you can download it from there. A few users having this issue on their Mac as well, so you guys can check for the font book for a duplicate font copies of Helvetica font. The font book has a button for an automatically deleting duplicate fonts, and clicking that for both versions and then restarting your Chrome or Firefox appears to have solved the problem. So you can give it a try, maybe it will help out for the Mac users as well.